Okay, hello. So, from the pretest, okay, I see that you cannot solve the simultaneous equation for complex number. So, okay, actually it is simple, but it is a bit confusing because it's involve a lot of number. So here I give you a simple way to solve this. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so you can see here. This is the first. Okay, you have to make sure that you organize the equation something like this. Okay, let me have a pen first. Okay, this one at this form and this form. Okay, so it is important. You can use this, but this one can introduce a many mistake. So I suggest you use a simple metric. Okay, metric simultaneous equation. So from these two equation, okay, so I convert it to metric. Okay, you can see here 3 plus j 0.6 and then minus 3 minus j 0.6. Okay, make sure you don't forget about the minus. Okay, and of course I1 I2. Okay, and then equals to, okay, this one. Okay, 22981 229.81. Okay, recall back your metric. Okay, and then for this case, of course, negative 3 minus j 0.6. Okay, and next is 3 minus j 7.73. Okay, and then 0. Okay, so if you use convert this into a metric, it looks something like this: a b c d. Okay, and this one is, okay, just make it x and y. Okay, and then this one is e f. Okay, so why we convert this to something like this? Because we don't want to make mistake here. Okay, it is a lot of number, so mistake can happen. So to solve this, of course, you have to move this into this side, and then you have to divide by determinant. Okay, so make sure you recall back. So recall back your metric, and you get x y equals to 1 over a d minus bc. Okay, and then you have to flip this. B and a, okay, is flip. Okay, and then this one stay, but you have to put negative. Okay, and then e and f, and then again x y. Okay, so 1 over ad minus bc. Okay, multiply by de. Okay, de multiply minus, okay, b and f. Okay, something like that. So you have to recall back. So this one multiply by this one, and then plus this one multiply by this one. Okay, don't forget it is plus, but because of the minus, it become minus. So again, negative c and e, and then a and f, plus a f. So let me move this a bit. Okay, so basically x and y, which is equals to I1 and I2, is equals to DE minus BF divided by AD minus BC, and another one is negative CE plus AF divided by AD minus BC. Okay, this one is already a bit complicated, but it's okay. So now I will show you calculator and the store function. So here I open it. Okay, check whether it is recording or not. Okay, so this one, okay, make sure you are in the complex mode. So goes into complex mode, and then you have to use a store function. So a is 3 plus 0.6 I. Then click the store function, this one. You can see here store a. Okay, it will store the number in a. Then negative 3 minus 0.6 I, then store in b. Okay, and then also store in c. Okay, and then 3 minus 7.73 I, and then this one store in d. Okay, and 229.81 you store in e. Okay, and 0 you press store and go to F. Okay, so all the value already stored, and now you just press the calculator, open bracket, use the last formula here. You can see here, use this formula. Okay, so just to recall, shift D. Okay, sorry, alpha D, alpha D, alpha E minus alpha B, alpha F. Okay, divide by, open bracket, alpha A, alpha D minus alpha B, alpha C. Okay, so you have the formula, so you get the answer. So for current, I suggest you use this form. Okay, so you get the answer directly. So this one is much more easy, less mistake will be made. So same here, the I2, so negative CE, where is it, E plus AF divided by A T minus B minus C, minus B and C. So you get the answer directly. Okay, of course you can use this option and you move it to this one, so you get the answer directly. So make sure, I suggest you use this technique, which is called store function. This one is the store function. So you store in A, B, C, D, E and F, and then you just insert the formula you derive here directly. Okay, that's it. Make sure you be careful, okay, with the complex simultaneous equation. Okay, thank you.